Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I haven't done like an actual video in, it feels probably like a year or so. I'm not sure. I want to go through my closet today. It's like almost 4 p.m. I think, and I want to go through my closet because I just ordered some stuff online, some new clothes. I want to recycle through my things, get rid of old things that I don't wear anymore, bring in new, you know, more of my style. I know I look so, oh hey Macy, hey Macy. I have on sweats, this Champion sweatshirt and literal sweatpants, but it's Sunday and I'm comfortable and I just want to go through my clothes with y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all my closet. It's a little messy, and then it's a cleaning day, it's a decluttering day. We're getting rid of things so that new things that make us happy can come in. So if you're into that, then let's go. Okay, so I turned some lights on so that it's not as dark up in here. Okay, so turn some lights on, I set y'all up, and I'm gonna show y'all my closet now. Here's my closet. Welcome. Okay, so I have bags and things up there. That's not gonna move. I have a pile of sweatshirts here that should not be here. All of these are sweatshirts plus Chandler's flannels. I have a, what's it called, a blanket. I have clothes that need to be hung up that I don't have, that I just haven't. And then all of my clothes. And then there's shoes down there that I need to really get rid of. And then there's more bags. And then there's more shoes like back there. So, and then we have, of course, our wall of shoes that I need to reorganize and like redo. But right now what I want to do is I want to get everything that I don't need out of here and just organize and then regroup. Okay? Okay. Got me some trash bags and Diet Dr. Thunder. Alright, so I don't know how long this is going to take, so I'm going to watch some YouTube while I go through the shoes down here. Alright, I low-key forgot that I have these. These are going to go in a maybe pile. I don't even think that I have worn these before. I don't remember where I got them. They don't seem very cushiony. Alright, well, I've never, I've never even worn these. They're brand new. They're going. Okay, so I've got a pair of brown boots that I have not worn in, I don't know. I have a pair of black boots. Pretty sure these are bear paw. They are both going because I do not wear long boots anymore. And honestly, I don't wear booties anymore either, but these will be like a maybe because I don't have anything like this. And maybe if I can see them, I will wear them. Obviously it'll be for next year because it's getting a bit warm outside. There's my boots. You know what I'm saying? My boots. And these look huge. I'm all cleaned out on this side now. So I've got swimsuits that I need to go through. And then we've got these shoes. These are Chandler's. I need to ask him if he wants those or not. I got my old Dinkles. These are band shoes for anyone who doesn't know. Another pair of look-alike Birkenstocks. I'm just gonna put his shoes over here so that he can go through those. Don't think that y'all knew I was a bowling state champion. And this is my bowling ball and it's split right here. But that's okay. But I was a bowling state champion and this is the ball that I pulled with. And then I have these Reebok shoes. I wore them a handful of times. Does that make sense? Yeah, okay, anyway. But these are also Chandler's, and I really like these. But he never wears tennis shoes ever. And then he has these white ones, which I'm pretty sure he's never gonna wear again because they're really dirty. So I might sell those, like if someone thinks that they can clean them up or whatever. Chandler has a pair of Converse, and I have a pair of Huarache, whatever, but it broke on this side, like right there, and I always said that I was gonna sew it back, and I never did. But like, look how nice they look. Like, yes, I love these. I'm gonna keep these out, and if I don't sew these within the next week to the next month, then I'll get rid of them. I'm gonna move that bin over here to the other side of the thing, and I'm gonna put my bowling ball back in there and my boots. So I got a little hot, so I just take my sweatshirt off. But this is also gonna kind of be like a summer to spring, like only stuff that I'm gonna be wearing during the summer and springtime. So like all my cardigans and my things like that, they're all gonna go. And then I'm gonna take all my pajama pants and things that I don't wear in the summer, like that it's too hot. I'm gonna take those out of my drawers and things like that. And my freaking battery is flashing red. And this battery is also blinking red. We're on my phone. Okay, yes, but this is winter. This is lightweight, so, but I didn't wear it I didn't wear it at all. I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, yes. Yes to this. I'm gonna get rid of this. Yes, winter. Yes, this can go in the closet. Yes, but I will never wear this when it's not cold outside, so. I love this. I just don't know what to wear with it. So we're gonna keep it one more time. Then we'll see. All these popcorn sweaters are just gonna go in storage. I have a billion of them. These two sweaters, love them. This might be the last time that I keep them. Another popcorn sweater, surprise, surprise. A popcorn shirt. This sweater I got from Dirt Cheap. It shrunk on me as soon as I got it. This one came from Dirt Cheap too. This sweater, yes. This sweater, yes. This is Chandler's. I wore this shirt. Can't remember if I liked it or not. I think I did. Definitely this dress. Love this dress. It's a little short, but we love her. This dress, yes. She shows a little bit of cleavage, but we also love her. Okay, so I debated on this last time I went through my clothes, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it because I didn't wear it. Some pantalones. Pantalon? I don't know. I think pantalon is Arabic and pantalon is Spanish. It's cute, but do you see all these wrinkles? Yeah, she gotta go. This dress, yes ma'am, but I gotta find my kimono that goes over it. Graduated last year. I'm never gonna wear this again. It's like a pantsuit. It's like a romper thing. I just know me, I'm never gonna wear it. Not a romper, but a jumpsuit. I have this jumpsuit, but this one is from Torrid, and it looks way better on me, so I'm gonna keep it. These two dresses can go. Has my initials on the back. Wonder if I can wear this again, because I went through a time period where I was too big. I was too fat, and I could not wear that. This can go. I literally never wear it. Literally never wear it, babes. Never. My bowling shirt, my senior jersey. Yes, 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 and yes. I'm gonna tilt y'all down a little bit. This is a maybe. maybe. I really like it. All right, so all these are going in the closet. This one is gonna go. Yes, yes, yes. All right, dress time. Yes, yes. I wore this to open house at school when I met all my little kids. This dress, it can go. Yes, love this jumpsuit. This dress, super cute. Yes, yes to this dress. This dress is gonna go. Yes, yes. I never wore this dress because honestly I thought that I sent it back to Shein, if I'm being completely honest. But yes, because it's just like a simple little dress to throw on, like duh. Okay, yes, I love this dress. It's quite long, but I tie it up on the side. And then I have a little kimono to wear over it, and it's so cute. All right, my mom bought me this, and I just haven't worn it. It's like a turtleneck. I'm gonna keep it because it literally still has the tags on it, and I want to wear it, but I just don't know how. All right, this is like a thinner type shirt. It's gonna go. I keep taking it off the hangers, but I want to take pictures of it. This one's also gonna go. It's really similar to that. I forgot I had this. Hello. It's just a simple little v-neck. Okay, I really like this shirt. Like, I love it, and I wear it a lot, honestly, but I just feel like it's not my style. Like, I like it, I just feel like it doesn't look the best on me, and it's not the most comfortable. So then I have a white v-neck with buttons. This is my white crop top that I wear with some of my skirts. Like, I tuck it in the front, you know. All right, I've had this shirt for forever, and I just feel like I don't vibe with it anymore. Like, I love the color, but I need the space, you know what I mean? Another white shirt. I love white shirts. This one has a stain on it, but honestly I don't care. Another v-neck. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Yeah, I've had some of these clothes for like literally like 10-15 years. Like, I've been consistently the same size for a long time, so like I've just worn these out, you know what I mean? I think this one's gonna go too. Love this. Got this from Belk. It's just plain white, but it has like little detail. I don't love it. I'm gonna get rid of it. I have some kimonos here. This kimono, love this for business casual. This kimono, which goes over that purple dress, it's Umji. It is so beautiful. Organize my life, and I will see y'all in a moment. Okay, so I went through all the shoes and reorganized. This looks so much better. So I went through all my purses, went through the hoodies and stuff, the crew necks. This looks so much better. So Chandler starts like right here, back, and then obviously all this is mine. Guys, this is a full trash bag of shoes. Those are hoodie, like crew necks and like some pajama pants, and then this full thing is full of clothes. And then this over here has like bags and stuff, and I have a couple, like one bag over there that needs to go in there, but I'd say that this is a success. I have taken pictures of just about everything that I'm gonna post on Facebook to like sell, and yeah, it's like 7:45 now, and I started at like 3:30, 4 o'clock, something like that. Look at this. Milo. Oh. Milo. Oh, he said no. So anyway, now I'm ready for my Shein order to come in. And it's looking at me. Oh, I also went through the clothes underneath the bed, and I went through the clothes that were in these drawers over here. And I got all my swimsuits out over here, and I actually got rid of some swimsuits. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sure it's been at least 20 to 30 minutes, maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.